Well, a dream came true. I was able to purchase my grandfather's land. He passed away 2 years ago, and this land means so much to me. So I was blessed with an opportunity to purchase it, and thankful for that. And the fields have grown up dramatically. My great-grandfather actually worked this land also. This was his farm. So there's a lot of history here. And like I said, I've been raised up on this place. I've from squirrel hunting to deer hunting to killing bear on it. I've done it all. But I purchased it 2 years ago, and I had a logger come in and select cut some old timber on it, did some land improvements on it. And like I said, the fields were growed up with sumacs, briars, you name it, it's all in here. It's poor quality grass, so I knew it was time to put some sweat and tears in it and get on this tractor and start cutting the brush down. I mean, some of it was 10 feet tall briars, blackberries, everything in here. It was a mess, and I finally got it down to looking back to what it used to, and it's just something to be proud of and thankful for. A lot of history, you know, back to my great-grandfather, Charlie Allen Nottingham, and then my grandfather, Charlie Farrell Nottingham, owned it. And like I said, it's been handed down, then I had the opportunity to purchase it. So to own something of your own means so much, and then being that you're 2 generations before you had it, just icing on the cake. But you know, I'm going to be running trail cameras here and trying to find some shooter bucks that's always held good deer on here, and get the rest of the farm cleaned up real good, plant some clover in here and some terms for the fall food, and run these trail cameras, and we'll see what the future brings. And with any luck, I'll be able to kill my first buck on my own land that I've purchased, and it'll just have a lot of meaning to it. So stick with us and we'll see what happens. Hey everyone, welcome to the 2021 West Virginia archery season, and I'm in high hopes of putting my tag on one of these early season bucks. I have to be quiet because I know I'm close to the bedding area. My guess, I'm within 200 yards maybe, if not closer. But I have 2 10 points that I have my eyes on, and they're coming to this supplement of feeding I have out here. Plus it's a T and skid roads where I have my timber cut back in the summer. So it's a great transition area from bedding to feed. And these treetops, these slashings in here, made perfect bedding all summer long in here. And these bucks have just went crazy over this spot. They love this spot. They moved in here and they stayed. So I'm in high hopes to put my tag on one of these big boys. So, but this early season, it can happen or it can disappoint you. But as of right now, my camera is showing me that these bucks are in here, but anywhere between 5 o'clock to dark. So I've got a good 2.5 hours to play with here, 3 hours possibly. And hopefully it'll work out this evening. But my hopes are high. I think they'll show up. If not, they will eventually mess up. So stick with me and enjoy the show, because it may go down this evening. The wind's great. It's a little bit breezy, but it's a consistent wind right to me. I'm in the blind in here. crashed. Yes, thank you, Lord. I'm all tore up. I got him. That was one of my target bucks, that 10-point with the big brows. I think that's what it was. I was trying not to look at his horns too much. I just seen his rack coming up over the hill. And he was checking the wind coming in. My wind's right to my face, perfect. I am tore up. That's a good buck. That's Pope and Young. Early season whitetails in West Virginia. Got it. I think I drilled him good. I heard him crash, but you know how it is. The excitement, everything goes to a blur. I got him though. I'm pretty sure I got him. Call Nathan real quick. Buddy, I got him just now. Boom. Yep, I got the big brow 10-point. He come in there and he took his time. He winded. I mean, he didn't take his time, but you know how older, mature deer do. And he come straight in. Wind was good the way he come in, so 18-yard shot. I heard him crash. I'm pretty sure I tucked it right behind the shoulder. Yeah, it's 5:20 right now, so I shot him at 5:21, something like that.
Did you film it, or you just did it by yourself?
Yep, I've got it all on video. Everything worked out good. I kept my cool.
That's awesome, man.
Yep, first buck of 2021.
Send me pictures when you get out there and can get there.
All right, buddy, I'm by myself, self-filming. I'm gonna go out here and see if I can track him up. I heard him crash, and I'm pretty sure the shot was really good. So, but he went down to these treetops, so I don't know if he was crashing or just plowing through them.
Right. Give him a little bit.
Yep.
It's plenty early. You have plenty of time.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over here and check my air out if I can find it. But the angle it's shooting it may went plumb over the holler.
Yeah.
All right, man. I'll send you pictures.
All right. I'm good.
All right, bye. Yes. All right, I'm gonna get my bearings here and calm down a little bit, and I'm gonna go back and look at the footage, make sure the shot was in there. I'm pretty sure, almost 100% sure, it was where it needed to be, and I heard him crashing. But the only thing that's got me a little nervous is there's a lot of treetops where I had it timbered in here. And I don't know if he was piling through there or he was actually crashing and done. All right, I'm back out of the blind. I'll walk down here and see if I can see my arrow. And see what kind of blood we have. I gave him about 15 minutes. I can't wait no longer. I looked back at the footage and my shot was money. It was perfect. But yeah, you can see my blind behind me. Right up in there, that's where I was. About an 18-yard shot. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find my arrow or not. But I can see right here where he kicked up. My arrow probably went sailing over the hill. You're going to have to bear with me on my film job here because I'm by myself and solo filming. Alright. I gotta find some blood here somewhere. I'm not sure exactly. Once he went over this hill, I wasn't 100% sure, like, where his track is. Oh, here's blood. Oh yeah, he's pouring the blood. Yeah, man. He's going right back down to where he walked up out there just a few minutes ago. I believe I see him. Yep, there he is, right down in there laying. Yes. Man, the blood is just squirting out of him. Like I said, bear with me, I'm by myself. It may be a little shaky. Yes, got him. Thank you, Lord. Man, he crashed hard. There he is. Yeah, boy. He's better than what I thought he was. Piled up right there. Man, he's got a lot better mass than what I thought he had. Oh, man. He's a 10 point. Well, I don't know if that one's going to measure out or not. It might be an inch long. Oh, yeah. Yep, it might measure out an inch, but I'm doubting it. He is probably my best bow buck to date. I don't know about scoring-wise, but rack-wise. Heck yes. He is a stud. Oh, I bet he's pushing 20 inches wide. Oh. Well, here he is. I got him up out of the hill here a little bit on a little flat spot, and I still have about a 50-yard drag straight up this hillside, but it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, I got him. He's a good 9 point. This right here might count as a 10. I don't think it's going to be an inch, but he's definitely 9. He's got, I don't know, 6-inch brows, 5-6-inch brows. But he's got really good mass. Good buck. He might be my best bow buck to date, I don't know. But man, he's bigger than what I thought he was on the trail camera. He's definitely bigger in person. His neck is already swelled up huge for early season like this. It's like he's already been out rutting around. I bet this is a 5-year-old deer. Looking at the cameras, my trail cam pics, I thought he was only going to be like a 4-year-old deer, and I said, heck, I'd be happy with that deer. But now looking at his body and his structure, I believe he's a 5-year-old deer. But he was one of my target bucks out of the 2. I mean, there's 3 target bucks I could shoot in here, but the one's a little iffy. I'm not in his core area. I may get a chance at him in the rut. But I got 2 core bucks here that live on the farm, and this is one of them, and I got him. Good Lord bless me with him. Yeah, he's a pretty buck. I love this early season coat on him. I usually don't do much early season hunting. I like hunting that rut, Halloween to the 2nd week of November in that range, but when you got a buck pattern on feed like this, you better get in and get him.